use OBS and have recurring or multiple elements in every scene you're using, or you have two cameras and sometimes you use this camera and sometimes you use this camera and don't want to change the setting every time and in every scene, there is an easy solution for this. So I'm in OBS, and normally what I would do is that I would have a scene like mains scene and a second scene. Imagine I have recurring elements that I say, okay, I have a background image, I have my profile picture, and this I want to use in both scenes. So I select both, I copy them, go to the other scene, and say here paste as reference or duplicate. And let's imagine you have now 4 or 5 elements which you want to have in every scene. The easier solution is to create one new scene, and let's call it, I use for myself in brackets an S for nested scene, and then let's say background and profile. I have this scene, and here now I copy these two, copy them, paste them here as a duplicate so that they're in, and I remove them here. They are now only here. What I can do now in my main scene, I just add another scene, a nested scene. And here I can select create a new one or add just my nested scene background and profile picture. I add them. We can do here the same. Add scene background and profile. And here I have them in every scene. And I don't need to say, okay, now third time, let's copy all the 5, 10 or 20 elements. And based on each scene, you can just say, okay, I want to hide this I have visible, and so on. And you have also not all the elements you see. Of course, you can expand and hide a group, but it's still expandable. Here, you just have one element and that's it. I, for example, use it in my OBS also for cameras, microphones, and overlays, where I have several entries in each part. And depending what I record, I select just once. Okay, that's the camera which is active. The rest is disabled. That's the monitor which is active. The rest is disabled. And then I just use the scenes. So as you see here, I have here my nested scene for the cameras, for monitors, microphones, overlays, also some Skype settings, so on, where I can really easily see, okay, based on the prefix, this is the overlays. I just copy them to the scene. That's it. And with this, it's really, really easy to maintain this all the time. So use it. It will make your day easier. You don't need to think all the time, is this now a referenced image or a duplicate? What do I change? What is affected? And then it's mixed up everywhere in your whole OBS. Each scene is chaotic. And if the video helped you and you liked it, please give it a thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new video.